my name is Masha. 1 month ago, I was able to join Talbot school in Lviv 5. I'm 16 years old now, so I'm a usual, normal teenager girl. In my normal day in Odessa, I would wake up at 7 a.m. and walk to my school. After school, we would either eat at McDonald's or go to the beach with my friends. However, this normal, beautiful life in Odessa quickly changed. Exactly 4 months ago, I woke up at 4:50 with sounds of bombs and explosions. I saw a missile fly past my window, so my life is divided into before and after. 4 months is when I can't live normal life. 4 months is when I haven't seen my friends. 4 months is horrible war. The invasion began on the morning of 24th of February when Putin announced a special military operation to demilitarize and denazify Ukraine. Shortly after this, missiles and airstrikes hit Ukraine. Ukrainian President Zelensky announced that all male Ukrainian citizens between 18 and 60 were banned from leaving the country, so my father have to stay in Ukraine. Some people might say like, oh, Russian people, they can't support Ukraine, this is only Putin. The Russian censorship Roskomnadzor ordered the country's media to employ information only from Russian state sources and blogs, and ordered the country's media and schools to describe the war as a special military operation. The Russian government said that they only bombed military targets, but no, this is not true. Every day missiles hit houses, shopping centers, hospitals and schools. The Russian social agency found that since the Russian full invasion in Ukraine, Russian support for the action Russian President Putin has risen for 83%. So 83% believe in Putin's lies. 83% is nearly 119 million people that support war. And they still say that I'm a Nazi, that I'm a small young Nazi, just because I don't want to be a part of Russia. All that I want is independence for my country.
Heath, видишь? Мама. Ой. Очень громко. Да не близко. Вот это уже близко. Ёлки. Пошли. Заберите Джесси.
Мам, ты это вынести.
Не надо это трогать, все в итоге стоит.
Ну тут мама месяца.
I think you will be interested about how I feel. When someone asks me if I'm okay, I will say yes and smile. But deep down, I actually not okay. Every day I wake up and first that I do is open my phone and read all this news. When I start to do this, my heart crashed into 1,000 pieces. What about my emotions? When I was in Ukraine, it was really hard for mental health to hear all the sounds of explosion and sirens. When your body starts trembling, when you see a missile above your head and you just can't control your emotions. When you see photos of dead bodies, people and understand that all these people are from your country. These all innocent people from your country. They don't deserve this. Actually, no one deserves war. Because of the war, I have a psychological trauma. I can't feel good emotions. Only that I feel it's pain. Pain for my country, pain for my city, pain for my people. I feel only emptiness every day. I hate that fact that some of my friends are still hiding in basements in Ukraine. I miss my home very much, my father, my dog, my life before the war. Just remember, I'm a normal teenager just like all of you here. And I want to say you to remember to never take your life for granted, because you never know when this life could change. So please be grateful for all that you have now. Yes, it could sound like weird, but no. Be grateful for your safe life. Be grateful for your early morning. Be grateful that you wake up without air alerts, because one day this all could be destroyed.
There were pretty dresses and parents excitedly taking photos, but this is not the prom these Ukrainian students had imagined. According to Ukraine's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, this burnt-out building is the ruins of school number 134. It was heavily damaged by bombing on February 27, 2022, just days after Russia launched their full-scale invasion of Ukraine. This school once taught 900 students, some of whom refused to let the tradition of a prom waltz crumble, like the building itself. The last bell is a Ukrainian custom where graduating students perform a waltz in front of the rest of the pupils, then listen to the school bells ring one last time. Many families have fled the city of Kharkiv since the fighting began, but these seniors dressed up and on a basketball court performed the dances they'd likely practiced for months. Their audience included soldiers who have been fighting invaders to their homeland. The waltz may be a delicate dance, but it proves that amongst the fighting, these kids have a will of steel. For Inside Edition Digital, I'm TC Newman.
So in our time, it's very important to know what actually is going on. That's why I stay here and trying to tell you how bad is it. One small share in your Instagram story will help. One small coin for our army will help. Just talk and speak about this will help. So, I have a friend in army. He is 19 and he protects our country every day. But now he is in hospital, so he needs your help. If you want to help, if you can help with donation, please ask your parents about this. I think, all know my Instagram, so you can just text me, or I have a link on my Instagram about GoFundMe. So please, if you can help, help. Thank you for listening. It's very important for me, and hope you all have a good day. Thank you.